Distinguished guests, colleagues, and partners. Some partnerships exist on paper. Our partnership with QS exists in the data, and the data is moving in exactly the right direction. In the QS World University Rankings by Subject 2026, Kazakhstan is represented by 13 universities across 70 positions. We remain the only nation in Central Asia ranked in the top 100 of any subject category. For example, Abai National Pedagogical University has entered the top 50 in education and training, the highest subject ranking in the history of Central Asian higher education. These are not numbers we celebrate and file away. They are the baseline we intend to accelerate. Our work with QS goes deeper than rankings. In 2025, we launched a joint study on labor market demand using Holon IQ methodology and mapping Kazakhstan's 9.5 million workforce against nearly 2,000 occupations internationally. The conclusion is very clear. Employers' demand is concentrating in data analysis, machine learning, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and we're producing too few graduates in many of these AI-linked areas. The next phases of this research will define sector-specific needs and introduce a new generation of hybrid profession, agro-data analysts, digital mining operators, predictive analytics engineers. The outcome, a structural shift towards AI-driven, personalized learning across our higher education system. In terms of economics, the case is also clear. Analysis conducted with QS projects that Kazakhstan's AI-first strategy could add over $80 billion to GDP by 2030. Educational transformation is not just social investment alone, it's economic infrastructure. The QS Regional Conference brings this partnership into the open and extends it to the wider Eurasian academic community. This autumn in Astana, we will put the real questions on the table. How do we align universities with the labor markets changing faster, much faster than curricula? How do we make AI genuinely accessible, not just to elite institutions, but to every student in the region? How do we link AI-first economy with higher education? And how do we dip skill our labor force, existing labor force? And how do we really dip skill, not just upskill and reskill the existing labor force? Kazakhstan has things to show and things to learn. We have a national AI curriculum already reaching 700,000 students across all of our universities. We have supercomputing infrastructure open as a regional resource. We have a national AI research university opening this September, and we have a genuine interest in building with partners, not just presenting to them. The QS Regional Conference in Astana is the right room and platform for this conversation. We hope you will join us to rethink the future of education. We'll look forward to welcoming you.